We specialize in refurbishing business-grade PCs from top brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Apple. Our rigorous process ensures every system meets the highest standards, giving you reliable and cost-effective computing solutions. We offer a sustainable solution for businesses and individuals seeking high-quality PCs at a competitive price. Our refurbished PCs extend their lifespan, reducing e-waste and promoting responsible technology use. Refurbished PCs offer significant cost savings compared to brand new systems, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Every refurbished PC undergoes a rigorous inspection and refurbishment process to ensure optimal performance and reliability, backed by our comprehensive warranty. Refurbished PCs provide a more budget-friendly option compared to buying brand new. These systems offer excellent performance and functionality at a lower cost. Reduce electronic waste by opting for refurbished PCs, extending their lifespan. Each device undergoes a comprehensive inspection, evaluating functionality and identifying any defects. All data is securely erased from the device, ensuring confidentiality for previous users. The laptop or desktop is cleaned thoroughly, and any necessary repairs are performed using certified parts. The operating system is updated, drivers are installed, and the device is optimized for peak performance. The device undergoes rigorous testing to ensure functionality, stability, and compliance with quality standards. The refurbished device is packaged securely and labeled with detailed information, including warranty details. Through assessment of the system, we perform an initial inspection. Removing dust and cleaning components is part of our cleaning and maintenance process. We address any faulty hardware through repair and replacement. A fresh operating system is installed during software reinstallation. Final testing verifies performance and functionality. Every refurbished device undergoes a multi-step inspection process. Technicians check for any signs of damage or defects. The inspection includes both hardware and software. All devices are tested for functionality and performance. We ensure all components are working correctly, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Data security is paramount in our refurbishment process. All devices are fully wiped and formatted, guaranteeing no personal data remains. We maintain a strict quality assurance program. Every device undergoes a final inspection to ensure the highest standards are met. We replace aging components like hard drives, RAM, and batteries with newer models to boost performance. We install the latest operating system and drivers to ensure compatibility and smooth operation. Each system undergoes a meticulous cleaning process to remove dust and debris, ensuring optimal thermal performance. We only use genuine, original parts for upgrades to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Each component undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality, reliability, and long-lasting performance. We source parts from reputable suppliers known for providing top-quality components for our upgrades. Every refurbished PC comes with a comprehensive warranty. We stand behind the quality and performance of our products. Our commitment to excellence ensures a seamless experience for our customers. Our team of expert technicians rigorously inspects and tests each system. This ensures that each system meets our high standards. We partner with a trusted logistics provider to ensure your refurbished PC reaches you safely and on time. You can track your order's progress from our website or through the Logistics Partners app. Your shipment is fully insured, giving you peace of mind in case of any unforeseen incidents. Your refurbished PC is carefully packaged to protect it from damage during transit. We cater to the needs of businesses, providing reliable, high-performance PCs to support their operations. Our refurbished PCs are ideal for individuals, offering an affordable and reliable way to upgrade their computing experience. We prioritize prompt and secure delivery, ensuring our clients receive their refurbished PCs quickly and safely. We offer quality-tested refurbished laptops and desktops. Our commitment to excellence ensures reliable performance and customer satisfaction.